Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2019 Can Am Outlander 1000R XTP. This one's got the high-end Fox shocks, four-wheel drive, front winch, bumper, racks, gun rack, automatic transmission, fuel-injected V-twin, 1000 cc's of badass quad. Come on by and make your big bore quad dreams come true with this awesome Can Am. Price to sell at just $10,490. This thing was originally over $15,000. It's in amazing condition. Only 190 miles on the odometer. We have finance and we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Man, that thing's a powerhouse. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.